Okay, so we have a lab coming up. Lab is Friday. What is next Friday?
Another
Wait a
lab.
minute.
We have
School on Friday.
We'll be here.
You'll be here, but I may not be here.
The stars did.
I have to wait and see if Sweetwater's got everything in. If you got everything in and they ship it, I will be in Maine. So, heads up. Factor in a lot of information here. I may be leaving. I should be able to tell you. I'll definitely be here on the 8th. The 9th, if I do go to Maine, will be the first day I'm gone. And then I'll be gone that Friday as well, so you don't even see me Monday. I absolutely do not want to move the quiz. If we have to move the quiz, we will move the quiz, but I will not move it to the next Friday because that's the Friday before Thanksgiving break. So let's all be honest. I got a feeling with this being 8th period on a Friday before the break,
How long is it?
I might not
if
even be
half
here
of you are
Friday.
here, I'd be happy.
How long is the break we're getting? Is it 4
That's
weeks?
a full week.
Let's go!
So,
Yeah, I might not.
if we have to move it, we'll move it midweek, okay? We'll address that. I gotta wait and see. As of right now, we will still plan as for the 12th. Some things hadn't came in yet. There's no point in me flying to Maine when not all the equipment is in.
What are you going to Maine for?
To install sound equipment.
With the 2x4 invention you made with the hammer.
No, that won't get on the plane.
You got
This one's
gotta
like go
deconstruct
in
it.
with a screwdriver, put some stuff together, and just hook it up. It's not bad. So let's check your knowledge. Yeah. Here we go. Let's do atomic number 82. Lead. Lead. Lead accessories.
Our favorite guy.
So do the orbital notation of lead.
Okay. I will.
Open your notebook. You have very smart friends sitting around you. I mean, hey, you know what? Look at the Rams, man. First off, Matthew Stafford. Then they get Drake. Now they're getting Von Miller. The way they're going right now, man.
I told Drake the only way he could switch to the Rams is just wait for the Lions to get a win. Right. And then he has to find a way to say that the Lions are better than the Rams. Like, oh, the Lions beat so-and-so, and they beat so-and-so, and they beat so-and-so. They beat the
Just
Rams.
like they're going to win a
You
game
gotta do
this
that.
season.
They're going to win a game this season. They'll win one. We'll just have to wait and see what it is.
Hey, the really cool thing is I did not know this, Drake. You are not the only Lions fan I knew of.
Hey,
I have a friend that I've been friends with for 7 years.
Yeah.
And I found out that they are a football fan.
$40 says
And
the
they're alive.
Lions don't win a single game
Get out
this
while
year.
they still can. They're never going to do anything.
I asked him, I was like, do you watch football?
Oh,
He's like,
sure.
not normally. I said, do you like football? I said, yeah.
$20.
Like, do you have a team? He said, yeah. I said, who? He said, the Lions. I said, oh, I now understand why you don't watch football.
Yeah. You ever watch like playoff football?
Like,
And you
imagine.
flip a coin and decide what team you're going to cheer for.
Yeah, that's what I do. I just, if my team don't make the playoffs, I'm just looking on.
This sounds a lot like my brother's yearly ritual.
I'll be honest, I pull for like certain things. Like the Bucks, I can't pull for the Bucks because I don't like Brady.
I hate Tom Brady.
I love Tom Brady.
Respect him, hate him.
I hated him on the
I'm with you.
Patriots.
Go, Cam.
I hate him on the Patriots. I love him on the Bucks. Man.
This is unacceptable behavior.
Kiss my son.
This is awful. I demand better.
Can I get a refund?
Mr. Holland, my name's Tom Brady. I'm gonna kiss my son.
You ever seen that?
No.
He like kisses his son on the lips.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really weird. He does.
Let's just stop. By the way, best of luck tonight, ladies.
Thank you.
If we were not having a revival in church service, then I would absolutely make the drive, give it up for y'all. So y'all just win sectionals so that regionals happen, and I can be here to watch. Don't dare say you don't know. Don't have a bad attitude. I got a kid on a baseball team that he started and had a horrible attitude, and had a horrible horrible outlook, and I said, that right there's a problem. You're our problem. You're toxic.
You kicked him off the team. He's gone.
No, but I told him, I said, I'd help the coach out. I'd come out there and say, shut up.
Hey, shut up.
What would make me want to ever go watch somebody that their players are looking and saying, we suck, we're awful?
Well, that's like
That might be what it feels like to be at Detroit Lions.
I'll say, middle school year baseball team, we looked like the Bad News Bears. It was just terrible.
I want to have a baseball team that looks like the Benchmarks.
That's the goal.
We just have to make second place.
Yeah,
We don't even have to make first. We just gotta make second.
That's,
States. Really?
that's what I'm confused about.
Yeah, it was, we did
6
second in
pieces.
a row. I say we could. I might be a little like this, but Liberty.
Yeah, that's what I'm confused about.
Yeah.
Wait a second, hold on.
I love it. I love mine. I like yours a lot.
Calculating.
I like nice figures.
16,
You add some.
We've already been Liberty
I
right
think
here.
the hamster was going, and then
Your hamster has brain damage. You've overworked it.
Let me try it again.
She had that red trophy.
No.
Oh, I know. I hate it too. Stop looking at it. Stop looking at it. I don't like it. What is this picture of? Like, it looks like, I'm not gonna say it. I don't even have to say it.
Well, give me a second.
I'm getting ready to go. Every year, cut my picture.
okay. Interesting. Yeah.
Can you check mine?
Sure.
See about Aurora
What number is it? That's a number.
I think y'all are starting to enjoy these.
I'm scared of even numbers.
In fact, you're like, I understand something in chemistry.
Mr. Hall,
Yeah.
I'm scared of even numbers.
Well, I think people think I'm a psychopath because I like vocal versions and basic versions. Like, I think that's fun. That's good stuff.
The real check if you're a psychopath, do you like AP biology?
I make
I think
it
Cheyenne
enjoy it.
would. Cheyenne wants to.
That's why I was going to drop it, but I was like, you know what? It's actually a good class.
Thank you, AP biology. Should have me for biology.
I just don't like the study of biology.
I just don't like the study of stuff and things.
Biology class, did nothing question.
I had Mr. Carter last year for biology, so I didn't know. Every single day we did it. I have friends that were in this class for biology. I know stuff about it. Yeah.
I love this yearbook so much.
So often you had to sign that.
I loved it. It was so easy.
You came in at the right time.
Yeah, I came in, I didn't have to test or anything. It was just
If you square the two indicates my name.
It was, literally all we did was write notes and do vocab. It was notes. What's that?
It's how we survived keychains.
Let's just say, man, also last year, that's all.
I think you're right.
Hang on,
No mind.
Alright, so up here, I have the correct orbital notation for lead.
What 6p square is it?
That is an excellent question.
Is that just like,
I think it's so much.
It depends on the how you bleed.
That is a magical question, which I will get to this in a moment. You're gonna like it.
Is it square because there's two?
is that just like,
Just because there's
There you go. You catching on?
right before.
We're using clues.
The hamster wheel is moving.
It's a rolling. We done sprayed it with some WD-40 and that thing's on zoom right now.
The hamster's dehydrated.
What are those?
Man.
Is that a 1 and an L? What is
Give it
that?
WD-40.
What?
What's the one?
It's an arrow.
That?
No, above it.
Those are arrows. Those
He just
symbolize
does
electron. Okay, so some important things. I will promise you, Chloe, I'm going to answer the question. Some important things to note right now. The changes are big things like here, and here, and here, and all right here. Now the big one is like right in here.
Sound like my car mechanic.
Because that right there is so important. If you give me this, that is wrong.
Because of Hund's rule.
Because of Hund's rule. Bravo.
Good job, somebody.
Do not do it. Now, question you. I got a blank here. Can I just erase that?
No.
No, because you got 6P. How many underscores are there with a 6P? That's 3. You have to involve them.
What?
I'd like to make a bid. Oh, God.
I thought P was 5.
Are you just feeling
No,
for
that's
Andrew?
D.
That's good.
D's 5.
Oh, thank you.
S1,
I'm worried.
D, well, P3, D5, F7.
I had messed up somewhere along the line.
Here,
Okay. Hey,
you can
Trick.
put it like in the corner right here.
No, she just happened.
Yeah, I can remember. I knew that, but I just forgot.
Here's the trick. Take the columns, number of columns that's in that block, divide it by 2, that tells you how many underscores. It's that simple. Now, you'll ask the magical question. I give you the answer. But in order to do this, I need to erase this. I apologize. Mr. Hall picked too big of a one.
Wait, we gotta do a different one?
No.
Wait, do I need to erase?
No, you leave it.
I just got
I
this
need the
and
room.
done.
That's what I'm saying. Now,
I've got a pen.
here's the question, is this right here. Now, have all y'all all have incredible math skills. I know it. Y'all can kill the SAT.
You're talking to the 2-time first place regional math field day champion.
Woo! Yeah, we are.
All day.
Now, here's the thing. Y'all remember how in algebra you get in there and that math teacher's like, we're going to solve systems of equations.
I don't remember it.
And you go and they look and say, we're going to do it by graphing.
Never heard of it.
And then after graphing, they go and they look and say, now we're going to solve systems of equations. Are we going to do it?
No.
By substitution and elimination. And you go, why in the world did we graph? It took forever and a day. Why?
Somebody down the hallway is
Miss Cole's going
Miss Cole's like, oh, my math senses are tingling. I'm going to be honest with you. How long did it take to do this problem?
Very.
If you
You
didn't
know what?
know,
Never mind. That's fine. Y'all be like that. You know what? Y'all act like that. That's fine. Y'all lucky I don't give you 118 to do right now.
Hey, do it. Me and Drake already did it.
done it.
Shut it!
117.
16.
You have to be able to determine the difference between what I'm being asking you. Up here is an orbital notation. Today we move forward and we move on to the electron configuration.
I'm screwed. Screwed. You keep going.
oh,
Racing like a dead crow.
John, I promise you, I think you'll get this in like no time flat. And before you know it, you'll be up there and you'll be like, Mr. Hall, let Mr. Ellis in here. Mr. Ellis will show you how things are done.
And Mr. Hall. How come when crows were in the road they never get hit by a car?
Oh, don't say it.
Because they're always warning.
Why do you sound like Michael Jackson?
Alright, so electron configurations. This is coming back off of, I've told you guys before, I've referenced this. Can I please ask a favor? understand, we are so excited we got the yearbooks.
I'm sorry.
We love the people. Let's focus on the chemistry. Get Miss Lester. Messing with me. Okay.
You ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dan.
So electron configuration is the second type of electron configuration. Now that sounds very confusing, but there ain't no other way to say it. First you got orbital notation, now we got electron configuration. Electron configuration. Let's define it. You remember how they made that announcement about the whole what you doing in your class for vocab?
Mm-hmm.
Somebody know, write this down. I can sign it and say this is what I'm doing. Follows the same 3 rules. Put a Z on there and a little zazz in your vocab.
You just can't spell.
I did it on purpose.
There's not even an E. That's
I did it on purpose, John.
Rolls. Rolls.
Good chemistry.
I wish I could do chemistry.
That's true.
Yeah.
I can do a little bit.
Yeah.
Give it.
Follow the same 3 rules of orbital notation.
Wants to do anything fancy to notation.
Yeah, I just leave it there.
Put a rainbow around it.
In other words, field order. Not yet. The field order is going to stay the same. Now, here's the big kicker. This is the part where you're going to go, why did we do that? Why did we do that? This was an option. Why did we do this?
Tell me why.
No longer. You. Underscores and arrow. He keeps dropping so.
Did you pick it up and drop it again?
So we no longer have the underscores and the arrows representing the electrons anymore.
So what do we have? Beans.
Oh, that's the magical question.
I'm scared.
You do.
Is this
I thought
harder or easier?
Huh?
Is this harder or easier?
I tell you what, that's so easy. You're gonna be like, man,
Honestly?
where's the trick at, Mr. Hall? You're messing with me. And I said, no.
You
So
know,
do
the
we do
last
the
That's
same
amazing.
thing, just not with the arrows to represent?
Oh, you're getting there. I tell you what,
The last time
y'all like
I
some bloodhounds, like sniffing out of my steak.
What
last
is
time I
that?
trusted an Asian man, I
What?
lost a kidney.
After underscore. Or
Oh, it's like an and symbol, but it like it's a messed up and.
Because the underscore band. Yeah, just write the word and.
Just put and.
Or you could do it plus.
Did you ever answer my question?
I'm getting ready to.
Alright.
34.
This is actually the answer to your
Right
question.
there's a treble.
What is this? This is what we're getting ready to do.
It's the electron.
There's no longer
6P.
underscores or arrows. We now,
We have exponents.
we take
Left foot and
And
Oh.
Well, that's what my brakes sound like right there.
where I thought I was at NASCAR.
we take the energy level.
Shit.
Remember what the energy level is, kids. That's the number. Not the hashtag. That is the number.
I know that one. I know that part.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know anything else you're talking about, but I know that one.
Yeah, we got somewhere to start. With the block. And when I'm saying the block, I'm not talking like blocks like what your house is built with. I'm talking, yeah, look at you. I tell you what, nothing getting by in this class today. Y'all had like some good coffee or something. I'm so proud. Y'all killing it.
I had melatonin for breakfast.
Stop it, Drake.
I have to sleep on the train.
Remember what the blocks are. Y'all remember what the blocks are?
S,
A,
P, D, F.
Very nice. The wonderful. Now, and place the number of electrons. Hashtag of E minus stands for number of electrons. Okay? And place the number of electrons as an exponent. Can I say something very important to you? When I'm saying we're placing them as an exponent, it looks like an exponent, but it's not really an exponent. Now, Mr. Hall is not going to be mad at you, and I care less. I ain't going to flip a desk if you look at me and said that's 6p squared. I do not care. Actually, how it said 6p2. That's all it is. That's
But
what it is.
do we have to do the field order every time?
You have to follow the field order.
But we ain't got to write it out like that.
No, you ain't gonna write it like that. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna save us off some time. Now, because you all been a little extra today, we're gonna try something.
Number one.
We should have not been extra.
Your fault, John. Did you?
Dang! Thank you. I'll do that.
Oh, no.
Oh no, I can't
Oh,
see.
God, you've lost him.
Oh no.
All right, everybody, guys, let's go.
Steal his pencils.
Get out of here.
I have no object.
I'm watching you, Drake.
I have no object permanence. I don't know who you are.
Drake, go in the back room. Get the thermite. I have zero theory of mind. You do not exist.
Get out!
Hey, I could run for the thermite really fast.
You have no idea where it's at.
I could snip it out pretty easy.
That back door's locked.
I don't believe
Move your head, Drake. You're in my way. I'm trying to do something.
Oh, you're trying to see that.
Move!
you. So wait, we go now.
Wow.
Okay. Are you ready?
Sure.
I'm going to time you.
He's gonna let that up, and it's gonna have erased it.
I'm going to time you. You best get ready. Get your pencils ready.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Hold on. Woo! I gotta get a new piece of paper. Oh god.
Here we go.
Okay.
Listen carefully. I want you to give me an orbital notation of this element. Okay?
So
Orbital
you want us to
notation.
write out that entire.
Orbital notation.
Okay.
I want a proper orbital notation.
It's going
Give me an orbital notation of tellurium. Atomic number 52. Do it as fast as you can. I'm proving a point to you.
The numbers missing what they mean. That's true.
Once you are finished, please inform Mr. Hall by saying, "Hey, yo, I'm done."
Why do you almost feel like the
Hey,
fitness
okay.
laser test?
The orbital, the fill order? The fill order?
No, I don't want the fill order. I want the orbital notation. That's orbital notation right there. That's what I want, but for tellurium.
I'm done. Hey, no,
You
that's not
done?
what you're supposed to say. Hey, yo, I'm done.
No, you ain't.
Hey, yo, I'm done.
You ain't done.
I'm done. Did do the actual rotation.
Orbital notation, not the
I
electron.
did the,
Why do you
I
mean?
did the shortcut.
This is orbital notation, the arrow.
I thought that was a field order.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I thought, yeah.
The fill order is in the order of how the orbitals go and how the electrons will fill it.
Why didn't you just say that?
You're in attack right now, man.
It's like everybody's like, yeah, man, John ain't been here. We're not gonna be quiet. Now John's back. We're all gonna get fired up.
Really? Have they been quiet?
Oh, yeah.
Am I the cause of this? Can you leave?
I love it, no stay. This is great. This is the most involvement I've had in this class in forever.
That's so sweet, Mr. Hall. That's the nicest thing anybody's ever said to me.
Really?
I can change it really quick.
No. Somebody once said I had nice posture.
Dear Lord, guys, I'm dying of old age up here. Come on.
Well, you know, I tried to offer you a quicker solution.
I mean, I have it, but I don't have it all filled in yet.
Fill in, it matters.
You're making a kid with crippled fingers write way too much.
Oh my gosh.
Look at these.
Tell me what to write.
Look at these things.
Done?
Done.
Listen, I do not work good under pressure, so I'm taking a long
Took a minute, 56 seconds.
If I knew how to do it, I'd speed.
Mr. Hall,
80%. 80%.
how well do you think you could perform chemistry under pressure?
Pretty good.
What about Bohemian Rhapsody?
All right, here, in turn. Somebody's done. You time me, see how long it takes me. You tell me when to go.
Okay, hang on.
I ain't made a note or nothing. You just tell me when to go.
Go. No, don't go.
Did somebody start a timer?
Okay.
I'll get it.
Set, go.
Oh, never mind. I won't get it.
I swear, if you do the exact same thing I did.
You've got 20 seconds left.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's exactly what I put down!
What? I did
Still going.
Sit down. Stop there,
It can stop. I'm so sad.
Delirium is a P block, which cuts off from 12 to 13. Right? It's 4 over. Right? So it's in the 5th row, P block. 4 left. 4 over is P block.
Okay. So P block is the 13.
Don't keep messing it up.
Yep.
Okay.
Except for
the 18.
It's part of 1s.
Is that hydrogen and helium?
Yeah, and then everything else that
There's
row.
probably 11 on all of them. They all look like 11s.
So 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p.
I don't know, but he's walking around with doing
And
this
then
straight.
We
B
get the
block.
5. We get the 5.
What 5 part?
Then we 5P4. What's the 5 part?
Time!
5p4?
Yeah.
A minute 10.
Yeah, it's the 5th
I was fast.
row. So
Hi.
hydrogen, lithium, sodium.
Okay.
Ruby.
Oh, okay.
That is the proper orbital notation for the
volleyball team in the office.
It took you about a minute, 25 seconds.
Okay?
We are.
You smash the ball in the face, you make them go to the mall and cry. I mean it.
And then you smash the ball.
Macro time.
You make them produce
Yeah, Desiree.
the night they play the renegades.
We are marching.
Break some
We're
down.
moving, but okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say wrong one.
Alright, so that is orbital notation. Now I want to show you how wonderful this is. Let's do an electron configuration.
Six band in the office. You see the band, volleyball.
Oh, my eye hurts.
Electron configuration of atomic number 52, delirium. You no longer have the underscores of the arrows. But everything still applies. So Chloe, you asked the question. I'm finally going to answer it.
You have 24 hours to respond, or else.
I got this. What's up with these numbers? Why do I keep writing this stuff? This is what I'm doing.
What's the deal with these numbers?
I look and I go where the element is. Tellurium. Which block is it in?
P block.
P block. So that tells me the last spot I'm going to be stopping. The last thing I'm going to have in my electron configuration is P. What row is tellurium in? 5. Since it's in P, that means the energy level is 5. So 5P.
Think about it.
How far in is tellurium into the P block?
4.
4.
Oh, that's how you do it. Okay.
That is a lot easier.
So now, I know everything to that point is full. So I just fill it up. So I start at hydrogen, and I'm going all the way through, but I'm no longer drawing underscores. I draw 1S, it's full, so 2. 2, S,
No.
2.
I'll stick the arm
Hang
right
on,
now.
hold up. What is that?
Oh, wait, are you writing the amount of arrows?
That's all it is.
Oh,
okay.
okay, the number, that's the arrows?
That exponent up there is the amount of arrows or electrons,
So
okay?
like, say if it was 4P, it'd be 4P3,
4p6.
6, oh, never
There's
mind.
2 in each.
Never mind, I was thinking of the underscores.
Yeah.
So here's the thing, 2p6.
Could have JV, volleyball players also JV.
Here's the thing, don't look at this. Look at the periodic table. After 2p6, I'm out of the second row, go to the third row. Do I go all the way through third row S block?
Yeah.
How many elements are in there, right there? 3s. There's 2, so it's 3s2. Let's go 3p. 3p's next.
It was literally so easy.
3p6. 4s2.
You have to do that for all of them?
What do you mean for all of them?
Like, for each, like,
Okay, folks, the volleyball team of the Sis will start their sectional play tonight at Wyoming East at 6
Until you
o'clock.
get to your stopping.
Yank about
It's
40
3
Lake Renegades. Right now, if you could, step outside your classroom, line the hall, and when these girls come by, we have a
3D10.
band escort. When they come by, give them a bunch of cheers,
How many electrons?
best wishes.
How many elements are through the 3D?
Sorry, we can't do this
There's
a
10.
different and better way.
3d10.
Let's give them a little
4p6.
encouragement.
5s2. 4d10. 5p4. I make it to the 5p. Why do I make the note? I know it took me forever to answer this question. I apologize. 5p4. It tells me where I'm stopping. That's why I write that always. Here's the thing. Tomorrow when you come in here, this is what we're going to pick up with. Now, do you agree with me? Is that a lot faster?
yeah.
Hey, I have a gift for you tomorrow after you get good at these.
Is it candy?
Is it another periodic table?
No, no.
Candy?
It's a last way we can do configuration.
Is it even easier?
It is super easy.
It just keeps getting.
Oh.